Deliver his opening remarks is Congressman Stephen Caraps Paduano, the chair of the Committee on Public Accounts. You're recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Good morning, everyone. As mentioned in the opening statement of the Chairman Barbers, today's hearing was originally scheduled to be postponed and moved to November 21, 2024. However, when the news emerged that the former President will be attending, and after we verified the announcements confirming his desire to attend the hearing, the Quad Committee decided to convene on short notice. This will allow us to hear directly from the former President and to address questions regarding the issue of extrajudicial killings. We have no guarantee that the former President will attend future hearings or fully participate in this investigation. Since he committed to be being here today, we couldn't let this opportunity to pass. As we continue our hearing, I wish to reaffirm the Quad Committee's commitment to a thorough, transparent, and accountable examination of the issues before us. Proceeding with today's hearing underscores our dedication to a fair and open inquiry, one that seeks truth and clarity rather than distraction or delay. Our work here is not a matter of posturing, but of responsibility to the law, to the people, and to those impacted by our actions. If this hearing will be used as a platform to score propaganda points, then we should not waste the public's time. This is not the place for shallow tactics or personal agendas. Our purpose here is serious and clear. We are here to listen, to ask critical questions, and to closely examine the policies and decisions that have shaped the nation. I hope the former President shared this enthusiasm and the discussions do not devolve into empty rhetoric aimed at evading the truth. With that in mind, let us strive to make this hearing meaningful, productive, and focused on uncovering the truth. Let us honor the public's trust, ensuring that this session is conducted with integrity and purpose. Marami pong salamat, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Congressman Paduano. The next to deliver his opening remarks is the chair of the Committee on Public Order and Safety, Congressman Dan Fernandez. You are recognized.